We're asked to find the inverse and graph both the original function without restrictions and its inverse. So first thing I want to do here is solve for y after flipping these two to get my inverse. Add 3 to both sides. Then I'm going to take the square root of both sides to get rid of the square. So I get the square root of x plus 3 equals y plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides. So my inverse is going to be the square root of x plus 3 minus 2. Now, for graphing these, first of all, I have a quadratic here, meaning parabola. I have no a or b values, so I'm really just moving the vertex 2 to the left and 3 down. And my reference points are still going to be the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, because no a or b value, so 1 up and 1 to the right. Sorry. And then 2 to the right and 4 up, and then the same goes for the other side. When I'm graphing the inverse, first of all, we should know how to graph square root functions, but if we don't, we can just take a couple of these points that we have for the parabola and flip the x and the y values. And what I mean by that, first of all, is that I need to have a domain restriction because otherwise I'm going to get not a function, meaning I am looking at all of the x values that are greater than or equal to -2, or my h value. Now that I'm only looking at those points, the first one here is the vertex, which is at -2, -3. I'm just switching the x and the y value. So -3, -2 is going to be my starting point for the inverse. Then the next point here is -1, -2. So flipping those, so -2, -1. And then it looks like 0, 1. So flipping that would be 1, 0. So here is the graph of my inverse, the purple line right there, and we are all good to go.